It's a bad man thing. See.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Wigs to Wasteland here, of course, with another quick wig review. And I think for this one, I'm going to show how I get rid of those damned bumped ends that I know we cannot stand in our units. So this unit is LYNA Long, and if you are interested in the unit, definitely check out GLAMOURTRESS.com. Their information will be in the description box down below. I'm trying to give y'all what you want, and it seems like you guys are crazy over bobs. So am I. So if you are interested in more quick how-tos, give this video a thumbs up, and of course leave me a comment in the box down below. I do have many more rig reviews coming up, and I would love to incorporate a little bit more bobs into this channel. So I'm gonna let this play out, and then of course I will come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so I lied. In regards to this oil, this is a very simple mix. I think I have like grapeseed oil, coconut oil, a little bit of castor oil. Whatever oil works for your hair will work for your wigs. I find this helps to tame the flyaways, and it also weighs the wig a little bit just so it's not flip-flopping in the wind. Here we are with another quick wig review. Welcome back to the channel. This is Wigs to Wasteland. Hit that subscribe button for your girl, and all my social media links will be in the description box down below. Let's get right into this review. Honey Bobo. Another bomb wig by Bobbi Boss. I think they have like raised the level for bobs this year and last year too. This is LYNA Long, and if you are not familiar with the original LYNA, she has been all over YouTube. I did not get my hands on that wig, so of course I went with the next best thing, which was the longer version, girl. If you are interested in the unit, I will leave some information for GLAMOURTRESS.com in the description box down below. Oh, Miss LYNA Long. LYNA Long, yes, she is already giving us Juba and China and kinda Yara vibes, and of course LYNA vibes as well, and of course this texture, girl. Very natural look to it. I did put some of my oil on it, and it's just some regular oil. Whatever oil works for you will work for your wigs. A little dab will do you. Trust me. This is a very comfortable cap. Parting space is as natural as it gets. Honey, no plucking, no tweezing of this part whatsoever. Really great get up and go type of wig. It comes with some baby hairs. The baby hairs are a little too long for me, so I just slicked down my own edges. And of course, this density is so perfect for these summer months. Even with the oil weighing this wig down a bit, I am very, very happy with this density. Perfect for these hot summer months because, honey girl, I say it all the time, we cannot be walking around with bundles in our hair in the 90-degree heat. No, so here comes the howevers with this wig. Great everyday unit, great get up and go, but I am noticing that she does shed quite a bit. Did pull out a plug of hair. I am noticing that the tracks in the back, I don't know if they're laying right. It could be my hair and they are poking up just a little bit. Hair is getting pretty thick under here, so it may be that I just need to braid it a little bit tighter. Other than that, you know. If you are like me and you can just not get enough of a sleek middle part bob, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and of course share it with your family, your friends, your neighbor, even them stanky little co-workers you cannot stand. Spread the love, girl, and hit that subscribe button for your girl. You know what I say, whatever wig you wear, whatever style, cut, or color, let's wear it with confidence. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.